There you are, you bitch. I've been looking for you.
Me? Like what for? Is there something wrong?
You bet there is. I can't believe you. You are a greedy little piece of airhead greed.
What are you like on? Are you drunk or on ecstasy? I have to go to work soon, and I don't have time for an insane person who is rambling, like they were like looking for trouble.
I'm paying you 5,000 crowns a month and you won't let me use the living room or the kitchen. I'm surprised you let me use the bathroom.
Well, you rented a room. Did you not read the ad at Explatz? It said a room. If you want, I can get you a jar to pee in, because I am just being a like cool and caring person by letting you use the bathroom.
What? You are horrible. The apartment is in an ugly concrete building in the middle of hundreds of others. You said it was a paneled building.
Duh. They are called paneled acts over here. You need help adapting is your problem. Do you know anything about this country? Have you ever been to the Museum of Communism? Have you ever had to deal with mullets? You come over here and have it so easy. Tiffany and I had to work for what we had. To Jenny Mosney, can you even speak one word of Czech?
I don't need to speak Czech yet. But listen here. You make me want to puke. You've been here how long? 3 months.
I have to leave. I have a meeting about our next issue of the Prague Dust, and we are discussing important things and I need like a clear head, and you have messed up my Ricky.
No. You need to use the kitchen and the living room too. I have been looking at ads in Explatz and there are many people looking for roommates.
I am sorry, but since my karma is good, for 2,000 more crowns a month, you can use the living room and kitchen. But when I am not there, that is more than generous from me. I'm helping you to adapt.
Oh, you really piss me off, you smug little bitch. I will find a better place then. Fuck off.
Newbies are such a pain in the ass.